In today's video, we will going to learn about a Pakistani humanitarian, Abdul Sattar Edhi, and the ways he helped others. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand who was Abdul Sattar Edhi, some of the ways Edhi helped poor and sick people. Before we start the lesson, you may need to know the meaning of few words. Let's check them out. Migrated. Move to settle in a new area. Paralyze. Make someone unable to move a part of their body. Social work. Work carried out to help someone. Abandon. Having been deserted or left. Orphan. A child whose parents are dead. Volunteer. A person who does something, especially helping other people, willingly and without being forced or paid to do it. Remember, you must always help poor and sick people. Once a mother said these words to her child, and you'll see how he remember her words throughout his life. The boy was Abdul Sattar Edhi. He was born in 1928 in India. He migrated to Karachi in 1947. It was from a young age that Abdul Sattar Edhi was always taught to be very kind towards people and help those who are poor. It was the same mother who became paralyzed when Edhi was only 11. Later, as a result of falling ill, she died. Edhi was just a 19 years old boy at that time. The death of his mother made him extremely sad, but also created a new sense in his heart, the sense of loving humanity, the sense of helping others. He started involving in social work and doing work with the social organizations. In the initial times, he could only manage to buy a small van, which was his ambulance. Soon he formed Edhi Foundation. Edhi Foundation is the largest non-profit organization in Pakistan, founded in 1951 by Dr. Abdul Sattar Edhi. The foundation has 335 centers in Pakistan, providing healthcare and emergency assistance wherever it is required. Apart from its services in Pakistan, the NGO helps the refugees and has branches in Japan, Bangladesh, USA, UK, and Canada. Let's have a look at the contributions made by Edhi Foundation. The overall important contributions by the Edhi Foundation are as follow: saving more than 20,000 abandoned babies, training of 40,000 qualified nurses, housing of over 50,000 orphans in Edhi homes across Pakistan. If we take Karachi, the city where the foundation was formed, in particular, we would see the extraordinary services by Edhi. Here, the Edhi Foundation runs 8 hospitals. These hospitals provide free medical care, surgical units, diabetic centers, 4-bed cancer hospitals, mobile dispensaries, and eye hospitals. Just look at the amazing work done by the Edhi Foundation. His most common services include ambulance service, hospitals and dispensaries, rehab centers, and orphanage. Edhi Foundation other services include ambulance, animal hostel, child adoption, education, graveyard, homes and orphanage, helpline services, hospitals, and marriage bureau. Edhi Foundation received many national and international awards. It also includes the highest Pakistani award Nishane Imtiaz. His name was also written in Guinness Book of World Records 2000 for the largest volunteer ambulance organization of the world. Abdul Sattar Edhi is no more with us, but his work for the humanity will always be remembered.